redetermination.
Yes. So we will see them now. What is that? The system. I think all of you can record.
So read out this. If you want, you can. If you want, if you write down, you can also write down this.
I can save this one.
Hello.
Like I can save also this one.
No. Yeah. Somebody saving this? Okay. I think they will also send you this. If you possible, you can also save this.
Okay. It integrates all departments like marketing, financial, manufacturing, and human resources into a single information system. Standardized record keeping permits information sharing throughout the organization.
Right?
Hmm.
Yeah, I will explain this. For example, there are so many departments are there like marketing, finance, manufacturing, and human resource department. Okay, why actually you need to use this ERP means there is no need of doing multiple entries. For example, Ruchika is working as a sales executive, right, in the sales department. I need to maintain your data there actually, and for maintaining your attendance, right? And the same attendance has been sent to the HR department for the preparation of summit. Systems. Okay, that's why I need to maintain again your data there only. For single entry, this information is being maintained in 3 departments, right? That is called multiple data entry. Instead of this repeated or this recurring information, you no need to do this in the ERP because this information will be stored in one server. This ERP is a server based. Okay, every information will be saved in the server, and automatically that information will be retrieved as and when you need, as and when you want to share. Okay, that's importance of this ERP. Okay, now let us come to what actually ERP, right? Yes, why actually ERP is needed? Here we can use the single integrated software. Single integrated software program will be there, and also you can maintain single database, and also information shared, and also you can communicate and integration and employee tracking. Okay, there are 70 ERPs are there in the market right now, 70. Apart from this, on the umbrella of ERP, you have these are the familiar ones, SAP. Right, SAP, PeopleSoft, Arkell, BAN, JD Edwards, and like this, and the Microsoft industry also introduced recently, that is Microsoft Dynamics, a kind of ERP, right? These all ERPs aim is same, that is where you can integrate the departments, not only departments, also integrate branches also. For example, if you have one, your company at the UK, one is at US, one is at Bangalore, one is Singapore. Okay. Yes, we can do these all integration part also we can done. That's why this ERP packages becoming familiar. Apart from these ERPs, there are 70 ERPs. SAP is already occupied nearly 60% of market right now.
Okay.
This is 60% is the earlier one, so now it's 60 to 65 maybe in the market, right? Remaining are there like this Arkell, yeah. Remaining. This is the market share of ERP, and SAP is a highly payable one among the other ERPs. Okay. Apart from this ERPs also, SAP HR is being paid more pay than the other modules of SAP, because it is related to the employee relation, okay, and employee related ones, and as well as you need to implement standardized statutory provisions and legal entities. Right? That's purpose. The function consultants of SAP HR are being paid more. Okay? Right. Becoming what is SAP? SAP is a system, applications and products in database, in data processing. Right? This was introduced by 5 IBM employees earlier in 1972. Now this is 2014. Okay. Now this this product has nearly 42 years of experience in the market, right? And 40,000 above customers are there, and it has been implemented in 130 countries, right? Out of maybe 200 countries are there in the world. Apart from that, already 130. In 130 countries, we have our SAP development centers, right? Because of they need to develop their latest amendments into SAP. For example, income tax or any statutory provision introduced by their government. Okay. Before supplying that software that we are implementing in the SAP. That ideally we are supplying this. Clear?
Yes.
Now, let us see. This is history of SAP. 1972, this was started, and they started R1 system. R stands for real time. R stands for real time scenarios. One stands for one server. We are using here one server only. One server for the all purposes. But now, from 1992 onwards, we are using R3 system, right? R3 architecture, because we can maintain heavy data also, heavy data. Because of this is R/3 is a very powerful tool, and also very tightly integrated, and also highly flexible also. Okay, you can maintain any securities or communication also you can maintain. And before introducing this SAP, you need to understand what are the versions are there. Okay, latest versions are being implemented, introducing by this SAP AG. Okay, SAP AG is a company name, and they are going to be released every year or after 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, like that. Now, this is 4.7 is a 2004, and 5.0 is a 2005, and ECC 6.0 was introduced in 2006. This is the latest version, right?
ECC
this is Enterprise Central Component. Enterprise Central Component. Sorry, 6.0, and you can say this is also nice app 2006. Now we are working on this right now. All your implementations are going on only 6.0, and this Max people also is providing this software for you to practice on this latest software only, right? I am also teaching on this. I will also teach on this 6.0 only, not older versions. Let us see what is by R/3. Here is the R stands for real time. Okay, this is real time, and these are server 1, server 2, server. We are using 3 servers for real time scenarios. R stands for real time. Okay, R stands for real, and 3 servers. That's called R/3. Right? I will explain in detail after this class. But first of all, you just understand what is the SAP, what is the R/3, what is the ERP, what are the modules are there, what are the functional modules, what are the technical modules. Right? Up to clear?
Yes.
Yes. Fine. Now next is, this is how to retrieve the information from one server to another server under R/3. Right? This is database server, this is application server. Application server is used to enhance your screens. You can introduce any new software here. Okay? That modification of screens or anything, any enhancements, modifications, conversions, anything you can do here, right? And this software, this server will take the information from the database, and it will reproduce in the presentation output. Okay. In the output of the presentation output, if end user feed any information databases, yes, that database will be saved automatically through application server to the database. Database is a central database. This is used for all the modules, not only HR module, all the modules. Any information will be stored here, right? Right. This is, above R/3 client server and development activity will take care by the ABAPers, ABAP, ABAPers. ABAPers are like technical consultants.
Okay.
Okay. As is, for example, you don't need to have any knowledge into Java because it will work on Java. Background is Java is there. Okay. But as a function consultant, you no need to have a knowledge into C or C++ or Java or any other language. Okay. That development activity totally will take care by the ABAPers in the implementation. Okay. For example, if you're implementing this SAP HR in one organization, X organization, and sales department, sales and distribution also implementing, and also material management also implementing, and finance, 4 modules are being implemented, for example. From each module, there will be 4 to 5 members will be there. Along with these 4 plus 4 is 16, along with you have 4 members from the ABAPers. These ABAPers will be helpful to all the modules, not for the only single modules, right? In any module, any modification needed, they will do. They will also involve in every implementation, every meeting, and they will also give commitment on behalf of us. Okay? Let us go. Yeah, why actually SAP HR is needed for organization? Because of there are multiple legal entities are there. I said the legal entities oblique statutory provisions. They are like statutory. Yeah. Or 2 countries, you can also 1 or 2, even 25 countries also you can maintain this currency, right? The individual currency to respect to country based currency will be maintained, right? And also same as well as you can also maintain this financial accounting system also. Accounting means that is financial modules. For example, is UK. We are maintaining this April to March, like India also same, and accounts, maintaining of accounts. And if it is in US, they are maintaining January to December accounts. Australia, July to June, they are maintaining that. Standard performance have been given in the FICO module already in the system, right? That's right. Now it is globally supported. Right, global implementation supported because any kind of your industry, any industry, it will suited for any industry like oil industry, commercial industry, manufacturing industry, any industry, right? It will support it, and all are scalable. There are systematic screens are there, and you need to utilize the screens only. You go for customization as a function consultant. Go for customization, not for the configuration. Configuration part will take care by the ABAPers, development activity, right? Configuration, but actually configuration is required by the client company, that can be done automatically based on the screens. As a function consultant, you no need to have any kind of knowledge into software, any software, just you need to know these are screens, all the screen based. This is all screen based, right? And majority and best practices are this. Now let us see, these are the functional modules like FI is one kind of, and also material management, sales and distribution, and there are 36 modules are there, 36 functional modules are there, right? Apart from that, SAP HR or HCM one and the same. Okay, like technical modules I already explained above, right? Above Advanced Business Application Program, and also we have other modules supporting EP, Enterprise Portal, and the basis also. Basis is needed for the giving security. I said you can see any information, right? That also not appropriate to see the information, right? Because if you're a financial person, you cannot see the material side, and material person cannot see the sales side, right? With respect to field will be given, respect to limitations, respect to authorizations, in that department will be given. That is called securities. The security will be done by the basis, right? Now let us see. There are roles are there. Some roles, technical roles, go for configuration by the above. And basis and authorization limitations will be done by the basis people. As in general terminology, it's a networking system. Authorization limitations will be given. As a function consultant, we go for HR, MM, SD, FICO, PP, PS, PM, like these are the customization. A function consultant go for customization only to utilize all the screens for the purpose of getting the output, right? That is called customization. Okay. Functional consultant always go for customization. Technical people go for always configuration, right? Now these are general. Any industry, these core HR modules are there. Recruitment is there, core HR, hiring part, and time recording, payroll, education, termination, leave accounting, absences, personal data, personal data, family data will be maintained. Dependents information also will be maintained, and benefits, personal development, change in pay, change in. These are some of these. What are the activities in day-to-day activities? Any industry will be there in HR. These are the contents to be covered. Contents to be covered in this SAP HR module or HR program, and SAP HR and SAP HCM one and the same. No, there is deviation anything. And here ASAP methodology is the first part. This is how to implement the SAP. Okay, here we have a roadmap. This is roadmap. How to implement? First of all, go to Ruchika.
Yes.
Yes. ASAP methodology. It is the only roadmap to implement the SAP. There are 5 steps are there. One is project confirmation and business blueprint. You need to create a business blueprint. Okay, and you need to implement all the policies of that company, that client company, right? And you can write in a documentation manual is called a business blueprint. Based on the business blueprint, go for the realization, that is customization, and final testing and go live. This is the 5 steps are there in the ASAP methodology. After that, go to realization part. Realization part comes under here. You need to create branches, that is personal areas, departments, personal sub areas, and employee groups. How the employee related to the employer. The active employee, the contract employee, is a permanent employee or the temporary employee. Okay, that you can create under EG, employee group, and the employee subgroup is called as, that is personal sub area. Right? Employee subgrouping grouping, that is how payment will be there to the employee. There is monthly payable, weekly payable, or hourly payable. Right? After that, go to here. OM, this is organization management, where you can create a skeleton of the organization. First of all, you need to create a reporting structure. Okay, who's to report this? Okay, who is actually CEO, who is a worker, and how the relations are there. Yeah, for all the levels you need to maintain here. After that, simply recruitment based on the requirement. Take the applications and give the application numbers. After giving application number to the CVs, and go for hiring part. Hiring part will be done under personal administration. Here, hiring, and after hiring also maintain the employee data. Here, the personal data, his spouse, wife, husband, children, and also basic pay, and the timings, allowances, and tax deductions. Anything will be done in the personal administration is a very, very most important activity. For this purpose, in the SAP, they provided a beautiful screens for each and every activity. Okay. They are called as in the info types. Info type is a screen where you can store a data. That's all. Okay. For example, I need to maintain a basic pay. There is a 008 is a basic pay screen is there. In that, I need to take your number, the personal number. After personal number entering, your details will be appear there, and there I can give this basic pay this much. Okay, 100%. And the allowances, your convenience allowance is 10% extra. HRA, okay, house rent allowances is there, like that is 30%. And when night shift allowances, that is a 10%. With all activities will be stored in that. There is 8 info type. Like that info types are there, so many info types are there, I will explain later. But you can say that there are the screens are there, screens called as info types. Right? After that, payroll. Okay. The payroll as a part I already explained you, 008, one kind of payroll, one kind of basic pay where you can maintain. That purpose you need to create some pay periods, monthly payable, weekly payable, hourly payable. Otherwise, there are so many like that, and also need to maintain pay scale structure, pay scale area, and wage types. That is standard wage type or dependent wage types. All these types are there. It will take the big chapter, that is entire the SAP HR, the HR module, a very big subject. And after that, time management. Time management here you need. UK payroll, you have the benefits. There are 7 benefits are there. One is medical benefit, one is insurance benefit, one is stock purchasing, right? Dental benefit, and eye benefit, vision benefits. Like 7 benefits are there. Apart from that, I will explain one benefit, that is total configuration also I will do up to 80%, and remaining 20% different from the benefit to benefit. Medical benefit I will show you totally, and related screenshots will be given to you in respect of benefits. Okay. With the help of that, you can also do very easily. Okay, I will automatically explain. There is no any chance, right? After that, garnishments is there. The garnishment is a payment through based on your court order. If any defective payments are there, otherwise there is no any diverse case in the wife and husband or child support, right?
Okay.
Yeah, based on the court orders, you need to pay some amount. That amount will be directed and sent to the third party, right?
Okay.
These all activities, the 9 activities can be done on the based on only single employee. But in the real time, we have 5,000 employees, 10,000 employees, right? That information, employee information, will be migrated from the non-SAP to SAP. That is called legacy system master data workbench. That is the last one. Okay, this is only migration, data migration. Is a tool. It is a tool to migrate the data of employees, right, from the non-SAP to SAP.
Okay.
This is these are the 10 contents are there. I will take this on 40 hours. It will take up to 2 months. If you have attended daily one class, daily 1 hour class is there. After 1 hour you need to practice. Okay. These people also provide you software. Okay. Accessibility to you. That 24 hours you can do anytime, but at least 2 to 3 hours you need to work daily, right?
Okay.
Yeah, and yes. Apart from this, I will give you beautiful notes on each and every activity, and so many tables are there that I will give, and info types information also. Every information will be provided by me only. It is very, very sufficient for you, even for your interview, even for you write examination. Okay. Right. Anything else you can ask?
You're telling 40 hours. You're telling 40 hours.
40 hours.
Sir, So
40.
it's 40 hours fixed, or it's like it depends upon the candidate also. Na? Sometimes like they get gaps faster. Like,
Candidate, yes, automatically based on the candidate.
and how will you support us? Like suppose I'm taking things like I'm taking lecture from you, and if I'm finding any problem, then how will be the mode? So email
Yes.
or what? Like,
You can send me through email also. Otherwise, next class before you can discuss what are the issues you raised. That after resolving of that, you can go further classes.
okay. So it will be like this only, one-to-one, or it will be recorded one?
Yeah, it's one-to-one only. If anybody
Like
comes, one person will come. Only maximum 2. That's all.
Okay. And one more thing, like today you are here. Hello.
Yes.
Like today you are giving me this one lecture. So every time, like will it be a same person, or it can change also?
No. I'm only SAP HR. I'm working on HR. I will explain. I'm taking the classes on HR only. If I agree this, I will take the entire classes by me only. By me.
Okay. So you will be only the person who will guide me. No other person will come.
No person will not come here.
Because sometimes, like if by chance you're not available, some other person is taking in place of you. Like,
No. 90%, 99% it will not happen. Right?
okay. Okay. And after the course, like you will be giving any scores, like if by chance after the 40 hours the course is complete, and suppose like if I'm getting any problem in, like suppose I got a job, and like after that I'm getting any problem.
No. Job support will not be given here. Here this is only training only, right? The training.
Job support is different. Like suppose now, like suppose I am into a job now, but I'm feeling any difficulty in SAP. Like,
yeah, you can send to directly to my email address only. That I will give my email address, and immediately after evening I came to my home. I will give you whatever the respective notes are, respective solutions will be sent to you, even after completion of course also. No worry about that. And also support in preparation. Yeah, in the preparation
for the exam.
Yeah, CV also, in the preparation of CV also I will see that. Okay, anything else?
Just a minute. Okay, like generally what happens, like when we are getting prepared for the exam, so we have to read all the modules, all the sub-modules of HR?
No, this is only SAP HR module.
No, all the HR sub-modules.
Yes, HR sub-modules will be taken up. What is the question actually? I do not understand your question.
Like suppose, like some person is into recruitment. So if he's doing the SAP course, his main emphasis will be in the recruitment sub-module. Like
no, this was earlier. This was earlier means that in 2005 before it was there, but only recruitment part can be seen. So each person. Okay, there will be 4 to 5 members will be there for implementation. But nowadays they are giving only 1 or 2 functional consultant to see all the activities. Right? You need to learn all the activities. You will not be specified. I will see only this, OM or recruitment. You need to do all the activities, including OM, recruitment, time and payroll. But ultimately, payroll time is a big chapter.
I think it's the biggest one in all the
biggest payroll. One, and highest payable ones also there only.
And after that, I think time management.
Payroll and time. I am specialist in payroll, in Indian payroll, UK payroll, US payroll. Okay. Not only this, if you want any other payroll also, UK if you want, you can also take the US. But you can take only single payroll, any payroll. But basically I will take the classes for all purposes, US payroll.
Okay. So you have any idea regarding Singapore, this one, salary structures like payroll, like here?
Actually, yeah, Ruchika, actually the payroll process is 80% is same. for any country,
Okay.
right? But only the differentiation between the taxes, right?
Okay.
The local taxes will be implemented. The taxes part is different from the country to country. For example, India is there a different type of pay, but in the US there are 70 taxes are there. One tax like work tax, resident tax, okay, unemployment tax, okay. There are so many taxes are there in US payroll. But there are so many payroll. That is the difference only. But the systematic process of the payroll is same. But you need to start from the inception. For example, if you run payroll, okay, you need to create a company in Singapore only. Okay, in the Singapore only you need to create. If you run payroll, US payroll, you need to create in US only. Okay, US payrolls. You need, first of all, you need to take the addresses. The system will ask addresses, the company address. If your company address is US, you can run US payroll. But if you take an US address, you cannot run Singapore payroll. Okay, Indian payroll. Yeah, in between you cannot touch. So starting, whenever you starting the company, that at the time only you need to give the suitable address. And also this zip code numbers also already fit into system. Zip codes. Or you can say the pin codes. Okay. They will also you need to save that. Based on that automatically your personal data will be there. The personal data calculations will be automatic. Personal data 002 info type. Right?
And one
that
more
will be
thing.
activated.
Study material, will all the study material will be provided?
Hello. Hello.
You will take up to 2 months. Okay, daily 2 hours, it will go for 1 month.
Okay, so it can be done like this because actually my husband, his working schedule is little different. Like sometimes he's getting 3 days off, so I can I would like to take then more time on his holiday times. Like,
okay.
Maybe 2 hours or like so. Can it be possible? Like because sometimes it will be 2 hours or sometimes 1 hour. Will be okay.
Okay, no issue. No, that can be done. Because if you are only single person with me, I will maintain like that. If both or 3 are there, that is a problem. But right now there nobody is there. One session is morning session is there with me. It is already 50%.
So
already completed.
tell me what is the time you are giving the sessions?
Yeah, you can speak with these people. They know timings. Right?
No. Okay, so like I speak to Lakshmi then.
Yes, you can speak with Lakshmi.
Okay. Yes.
Right?
No problem.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Anything else?
You. No, I can talk to Lakshmi then.
Okay. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Bye.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yes, Lakshmi.
Yeah. Thank you, Rita.
confirmation, timing confirmation. Okay, and then you can update to Prasant and Smita. Okay.
Yeah. So
Lakshmi, you are there. Lakshmi.
Murugan, this is Smita. So this